Good morning, students. Previous class we have discussed clearly parasitic nutrition in Kaskuta. Now we'll discuss holozoic nutrition in animals. Animals, higher category organisms have specialized nutrition system is called holozoic nutrition. That means, what is the meaning of the holozoic nutrition? The organisms which are intake complexity of organic matter as food. Clear now? The intake complexity of the organic matter as food. So that type of the nutrition is called holozoic nutrition. Especially some of the animals and human being, especially the holozoic nutrition have to this. So that's why now we discuss the type of the nutrition in human. Okay, holozoic nutrition in human. Clear? Right. So first of all, the holozoic nutrition. Human. Nutrition in human beings. Now, what is the holozoic nutrition in the human beings? I would like to explain clearly the entire the nutrition system of the human beings. That means the digestive system. Digestive system. So first of all, I will draw the diagram. Then we'll discuss the complete holozoic nutrition in human beings. Okay? Right. Okay, ma. Look at. Now we'll point the parts. Mouth. This is mouth. Inside buccal cavity. Oral cavity or buccal cavity. Pharynx. Food pipe. Esophagus, food pipe. This is diaphragm. That is, this is diaphragm. Here, this portion this liver. Here, special portion is the present here, right? This duct, this one. Gallbladder. This portion, this duct, one of the tube is also which is connected here. So this tube is called bile duct. Bile duct. Okay, clear? Bile duct. Next, this side. To pancreas. This is pancreas. Here, large intestine. Inside, small intestine. Small intestine. Here, the last two portions of this here, this is rectum. The end portion of this canal, anus. Anus. This side, the last portion, this side it is also to the present, that is appendix. The last portion of this here, this side, this is called the appendix. Clear? Right. Look at the diagram, but there is no space. That's why here only to adjust on this board, a very small board. That's why. So I adjust this diagram. Look at, this is the digestive tract of the human being. Digestive tract. Generally, this is called alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Or tract or gut. Okay? The alimentary canal or the digestive tract or gut. So actually, this is very surprising. The alimentary canal, basically, which is 9 meters long, the 9 meters long tube is called alimentary canal. So which is extending from mouth to anus. Clear ma? So what is the alimentary canal? The alimentary canal, which is actually the present in the digestive system, very long tube, long tube, which is extending, so from mouth to anus inside of the human body, that is called alimentary canal or digestive tract or gut. Clear? How much long this? This is 9 meters long. Actually, this 9 meter, how it is possible, sir? From mouth to, so this anus means, of course, and so many like adjustments are the present inside of the body. And it has the different portions are the present. It have the different portions. Each and every portion also to have the specific functions are the present here, alimentary canal. That's why I would like to explain. I would like to explain, so what is the alimentary canal and how many the portions, like the parts are the present inside of the alimentary canal and what are their functions. So I will clearly this is also to explain. Clear ma? Right. Then first of all, and then after that I draw the, this is also here, the clearly to draw this diagram, then we'll go to the one by one. Okay, right. First of all, look at the mouth. First one, so the mouth. Generally, before going to the explanation, in the digestive system, like the nutrition, involves steps following. Some of the steps are the present here. So what are the steps? What are the steps are the present in like nutrition? So main steps are the present. First one, ingestion. Second, digestion. Next one, absorption. Next, assimilation. Last one, digestion. These steps are the present. Actually, nutrition, the following steps are this present, like the ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion. These are the present that we'll discuss. So one by one clear.